In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your audio tracks using DaVinci Resolve effectively. This powerful software is widely used in video production, not just for its impressive video editing capabilities, but also for its robust audio editing features. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with audio editing, following this guide will help ensure that your audio is crisp and professional. First, let's open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once you have the software running, navigate to the Effects library. You'll notice that DaVinci Resolve has a vast array of features within this section, but for our purpose, we'll focus on Fairlight FX. This section is where you'll find all the audio effects you can apply to your project, allowing you to manipulate and enhance sound precisely. In the Fairlight FX area, take your time to explore the various audio effects available. Each effect serves a unique purpose, such as noise reduction, reverb, and equalization, to name a few. These tools will be crucial in refining the audio quality of your project. Depending on your specific needs, you can choose from these effects to ensure your soundtrack supports and enhances your video content. After selecting your desired Fairlight FX, the application process is straightforward. Simply click and drag the effect onto the specific audio track you want to modify. This intuitive feature of DaVinci Resolve allows for quick adjustments without needing to navigate through complicated menus or settings. Once you've applied the effect, you might want to fine-tune it to suit your audio requirements best. Spend some time experimenting with the settings within the chosen effect. This might include adjusting parameters like frequency, gain, or threshold. DaVinci Resolve provides a real-time preview feature, which is incredibly useful for listening to how changes affect your audio. Utilize this feature to make iterative adjustments until you're satisfied with the final outcome. Feel free to combine multiple Fairlight FX to achieve a comprehensive audio enhancement. This layered approach can be particularly powerful, enabling you to address various audio issues simultaneously, such as removing background noise while enhancing vocal clarity. Once you've fine-tuned your audio tracks to your satisfaction, take a few moments to review the entire audio and video sequence. This step ensures that everything flows smoothly and that the audio enhancements don't inadvertently disrupt the overall production quality. And that's it. You've successfully enhanced your audio using the DaVinci Resolve Fairlight FX. Remember, the key to mastering audio editing is practice and exploration. The more you experiment with different effects and settings, the more proficient you'll become. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in boosting your audio editing skills in DaVinci Resolve. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy editing!